Are your Windows apps broken by the Libpwl.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before the walkthrough for Libpwl, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This DLL file is a specialized library associated with piecewise linear function management. It provides the internal logic for approximating complex curves within scientific and engineering software on Windows. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. To resolve this, keep in mind that the Libpwl.dll is typically installed with CyberLink Application. Reinstalling the latest version of CyberLink Application from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the libpwl file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Installing an unverified version of the Libpwl.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Libpwl. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest Libpwl resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.